These are the new Klipsch Forte III, and they come as part of the company's heritage speaker line. In many ways, you can think of them as modern classics, as though your favorite muscle car got a 21st century upgrade. They take the same elegant looks, but update key sonic elements, creating a speaker that offers the perfect blend of warm vintage tone and razor-sharp soundstage. So before we get into how these guys sound, let's talk about how they look. Our set of Forte 3s came in a beautiful distressed oak finish, which is book matched, and it's made by hand in the United States. It also comes with a gorgeous lamb's wool grille cover and has a Forte logo right at the top. When you first remove the grille covers, you'll notice some classic Klipsch design elements. There are 2 horn-loaded drivers, 1 tweeter and 1 mid-range, as well as 1 big 12-inch woofer at the bottom. On the back of the speaker, you'll notice one of the key elements of the new Forte 3, which is this massive 15-inch passive radiator for bass. Below that, you'll notice there's 2 sets of speaker posts for optional bi-amping, and they're connected from the factory with this metal fitting. The Forte 3 offer a crisp and yet warm sound profile. They're very exacting. The highs are very tight and prominent in the mix. The mids are also very present and great on vocals. And the low end, that big 12-inch woofer and the 15-inch radiator, provide punch, but not too much boom. So everything is very balanced in the sound. What's so incredible about the Forte 3 speakers when you talk about the way they sound is just how vibrant and exacting and warm they sound simultaneously. Where other speakers sound razor sharp and almost clinical when they reproduce music, the Forte 3 offer something like that, but they also offer this sort of vintage charm, almost a muscle car charm, that other speakers in this price range just don't offer. Whether you're listening to the latest Kendrick Lamar record or a Stevie Wonder record from the 70s, they just bring so much real passion and energy to everything you listen to. Your listening room becomes practically alive with the music that's being played on the speakers. So a lot of the sound has to do with the smart updates that Klipsch has made to this particular model. They didn't reinvent the wheel, they didn't do something totally brand new and make something that looks old sound like it was made in 2018. These speakers look and sound like they were made with slight improvements to the original model. So for example, the mid-range driver has been slightly improved. They added this 15-inch passive bass radiator for just a little more punch, but they didn't overdo it. Everything feels balanced and dynamic, and it just adds to the enjoyment of the music. In many ways, this is a love letter to the original model, in which they took technology that's available now, and they just painted it with a light brush across something that's been a fan favorite for decades. So regardless of what kind of material, be it CD, vinyl, or streaming, or what amplifier we were using in particular, the Forte 3 sounded incredible. At $3,600 per pair, the Klipsch Forte 3 aren't exactly cheap, but what they are is unique, and they offer you a special listening experience that you won't find elsewhere. If you're the kind of person that puts the music first rather than the gear first, these are the kind of speakers that will last you a lifetime.